Welcome to AI Business Autopilot. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, practical way to audit any business for automation opportunities. Think of this as a live walkthrough you can copy and apply to your own business today. Most businesses try random tools and then wonder why nothing really changes. An automation audit flips that. Instead of asking, what can this tool do? We ask, where is the business leaking time and money? And can automation fix it? This gives you a focused roadmap, not just a pile of apps. An automation audit is a structured review of how a business actually works. You map the key processes, find repetitive and rule-based tasks, estimate the value of automating them, and then prioritize what to build first. The goal isn't to automate everything. The goal is to automate the right 10 to 20% that creates the biggest impact. Before we touch any tools, we start with goals. Ask, over the next 3 to 6 months, what matters most for this business? Is it more leads, faster delivery, lower costs, better client experience, or something else? Automation is not a magic trick. It's a way to remove friction from the path to those goals. Here are questions I use in real audits. 1. If you could wave a wand and fix just one bottleneck, what would it be? 2. Where do you feel the team is wasting the most time every week? 3. What tasks absolutely must be done by a human, and what tasks just feel human because that's how you've always done them? These answers shape the entire audit. Next, we map the business processes at a very practical level. Pick one workflow, for example, from new lead to paid client. Then write it out step by step. Where the lead comes from, who touches it, ... What tools they use, and what the final output is. Don't try to be perfect. The goal is to see the messy reality, not the ideal version from a pitch deck. Let's do a simple walkthrough. Imagine an online consulting business. Step 1. A lead fills in a website form. Step 2. The owner gets an email. Step 3. They manually reply to book a call. Step 4. They send a calendar link. Step 5. They ask questions on the call that could have been in the form. Step 6. They send a proposal and invoice by hand. Now we have a real process we can work with. With the process mapped, we highlight steps that are good automation candidates. These usually share a few traits. They are repetitive, rule-based, digital, and don't require deep human judgment or empathy. In our example, the form could auto-create a contact in the CRM, send an instant response, and trigger a booking link without the owner doing anything. To find opportunities, ask yourself for each step. 1. Is anyone typing the same information more than once? 2. Is someone just moving data between tools? 3. Is someone waiting for something that could be triggered instantly, like an email, a notification, or an approval? 4. Is there a predictable pattern that a rule or AI assistant could handle? Every yes is a potential automation. Now we score the opportunities. For each candidate, give it a simple rating from 1 to 5 on 3 dimensions: impact, effort, and risk. Impact is how much time, money, or error reduction you gain. Effort is how hard it is to build and maintain. Risk is what happens if it fails. High impact, low effort, and low risk go straight to the top of your roadmap. Back to our consulting business. Automatically sending a confirmation email with a booking link is high impact, low effort, and low risk. Great first automation. Automatically generating a full proposal from call notes using AI might be high impact, but also higher effort and risk because mistakes could cost money. That one probably belongs in phase 2. After you've won some quick wins, once you've scored everything, you turn the list into a roadmap. Think in 3 phases. Phase 1, quick wins that save time fast and prove the value of automation. Phase 2, deeper workflows that touch multiple tools and teams. Phase 3, strategic automations that change how the business operates, such as AI-assisted service delivery or fully automated onboarding. Let's design one simple workflow together. We'll use the new lead example. The trigger is a form submission. The actions are: create or update the contact in the CRM, send a personalized confirmation email with a booking link, notify the team in Slack or email, and add the lead to a nurture sequence if they don't book a call. This entire flow can run without anyone touching it. When you design the workflow, document exactly what should happen. For example, when a form is submitted, check if the email already exists in the CRM. If yes, update the record. If no, create a new record and tag it as New Lead Website. Then send an email that thanks them by name. Repeats the main benefit and gives them a clear call to action to book a call in the next 72 hours. Small details like tags will matter later. An automation audit doesn't end when the first workflow is live. You need to measure, track metrics like how many leads are processed automatically, how long it takes from form to call, and how often something breaks. When you find issues, update the workflow instead of reverting to manual work. Think of every automation as a tiny employee you can continuously train. There are a few common pitfalls. 1. Automating a bad process. If the workflow is confusing, automation will just make the confusion faster. 2. Over-engineering. Don't design a rocket ship when a simple rule would do. 3. Ignoring the humans. Your team needs to know what changed, why it matters, and how to work with the new automations instead of fighting them. Let's wrap up with a quick checklist you can screenshot. 1. Define your top 3 business goals. 2. Choose one core process and map it step by step. 3. Highlight repetitive and rule-based tasks. 4. Score each opportunity for impact, effort, and risk. 5. Pick 1 or 2 quick wins to build first. 6. Document the workflow clearly. 7. Launch, measure, and refine. If you follow this process, you'll have a clear automation roadmap instead of guessing and hoping the next tool finally changes everything. If you want more real-world walkthroughs like this, subscribe to AI Business Autopilot. Like this video and drop a comment telling me which part of your business you want to automate next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.